Hello, today I'll show you how to create light text effect in Photoshop. Select background image. Background image link in description. Create a levels adjustment layer. Follow the settings. Select Text tool. Type your text. I use this font. The font link was in the description. Adjust the size by pressing Ctrl T. Select background layer. Create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J. Drag layer above all layers and hide the layer. Select text layer. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Open blending options by double-clicking on the layer. Choose stroke and follow the settings. Choose inner glow and follow the settings. Choose outer glow and again follow the settings. Then, hit OK. Unhide the background layer. Right-click on layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Make a duplicate text layer by pressing Ctrl J. Drag above all layers. Press Ctrl T and right-click on the text. Select Fill Vertical. Change position like this. Again, right-click on the text and select Perspective. Select corner point and drag it like this. Right-click on the duplicate text layer. Select Clear Layer Style. Create a mask on the layer. Create a gradient on a mask like this. Select both text layers and link both layers by clicking on the chain icon.
That's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.